Hi, Frank. You had mentioned in your post that you were unable to find the exit learning outcomes for your course. And I didn't know if that meant that you couldn't find the information or if it didn't exist. So I just wanted to walk through with you how to look for that information in WIDS. So you can see here, I'm already logged into WIDS. I have your course number here, and I'm going to click in the search box, and I'm going to click on search. That'll pull up the name just down below. So I'm going to click on that course name and let that advance. It's always a little bit slow. To see the exit learning outcomes at the left, click related outcomes. And then there are the three categories that we like to look at. So you have exit learning standards. You have exit learning standards here. So you can take a look at those, click and advance. You have program outcomes. We'll let that advance here. And I don't think you have core workforce skills. Now I can't remember. So core workforce skills do not exist for this course in WIDS. For your course, that probably means they don't exist at all. But as you mentioned, you should just double check with your program director because they might exist. They just might be entered in WIDS at this time. But I just wanted to show you where you can find that information. You did a really good job reflecting on why that information is important. And I agree. I love how you pulled together the analogy between ELO, the band, and ELO, the outcomes, right? We got highs, we got lows. You did a great job. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me.